Jotana Kulumka, Tini or Nigo, opening of help desk of Tripura State Pollution Control Board ni Jangitomo O Pandani President Te or Nigo inaugurator hisabe Bhaimanda Phaika Sri Onimesh Debarma, Honorable Minister, Science, Technology and Environment Department, Government of Tripura. They Ornego Bhai Manjaka Chief Guest hisabe Sri Purna Chandra Jamatia, Honorable Chief Executive Member, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council. The Guest of Honor hisabe Manjaka Sri Ananta Debarma, Honorable Executive Member, Science, Technology and Environment, TTADC. They Dr. K.S. Vasikumar is not there? Okay. Then special guest is Mandapita Sri Mohendra Singh, IFS, Director, Department of Science, Technology and Environment, Government of Tripura. They were Nigo, State of Mandapita, the additional CU, Muslimuddin, PU, Science and Technology, Sudhan. They are Nigo Pai Mandapita, or Thomas ADC officers, principal officers, executive officers, staffs and officers. The Science and Technology Department ni the Member Secretary Dr. Bishur Kormogar, they all officers and staff of Tripura State Pollution Control Board and vibrant media friends. First of all, I'd like to thank the Member Secretary of Tripura State Pollution Control Board for inviting me, and also I thank and welcome Sri Onimesh Debarma, Honorable Minister, because this has been our dream. Since the Imam Kamani or Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, they are State Tripura State Pollution Control Board ni the help desk khainani. It was our dream. It has taken almost 39-40 years to fulfill our dream. Today, our dream has been fulfilled by opening of help desk of Tripura State Pollution Control Board. Tinini sime je Tripura State Pollution Control Board ni the samung ni the benefit now TTADC from TTADC headquarters Khomolong Oranino the benefit manthai the is hamung Orange Tangai the benefit manthai Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council the Borak Tangairao the citizens Tangairao now they can also avail the benefits of Tripura State Pollution Control Board. Hanibangai Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Administration Nengai Ang Bishes Khaye Tripura State Pollution Control Board needs the Member Secretary, the online members, Abong, O Daptan is a minister, Mana or ADC Mibana Belai Hambai, the Bona Hambai Rago, the Bona Ornigo. Sudo or ADC headquarters of the Borakunai, Borogya, Sarat ADC Lakani, right from Jampu Hill to Sabrum, Magrum, Young Dharmanagar to Sabrum, or ADC Alagawa Zara Tamera, or Tripura State Pollution Control Board is a summon the benefit, Bona Magui, Jate Samana Jat, Hanabangi Koinai. They are in Kabang Kraye, Jate, they are made some benefit now, so Nagi, Abel Krait, and Halanani, Chalanani, Edisha Kago. Hi, Opas Havi, Aranigo, Dara Paimanda, Penira, Mrs. Clay, Science and Technology, the Member Secretary Karma Krai, অরনিয় যে ডাইরেক্টরস ফেনেরক অফিসার্স স্টাফ তেওরা এডিসিনি যারা ফাইমানদা ফেনেরক বর্ণ হাই হাই হামবাই রগুই তৃতীয় এডিসি অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেশনের পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদের সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই, শুভেচ্ছা জানাই। আজকের এই যে হেল্প ডেস্ক